Hi, my lovely Geminis. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Geminis, let me first and foremost wish you a very, very happy new year, guys. May this year be full of peace, bliss, abundance, prosperity, love, and lots of health for you guys. Yeah. So, Geminis, like always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign, and it may or may not resonate with all, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to see other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Geminis, while pre-shuffling for you guys, the image that I had was someone sitting on a horseback, and someone is headed like in a headstrong manner somewhere. Okay, like someone who is very much sure, very much confident of where they're headed towards or what they want to do. Okay, they do not have any confusions in mind, and they're like very, very sure of what they want to do. Okay, or what they want to achieve. It was more like a knight or a prince kind of an energy. Okay, and yeah, I mean someone very, very sure of what they want. Okay, that's the vision that's flashing my eyes even now. Okay, even now. Okay, so whatever that means to any of you guys. Okay, you know what you're doing, you know what you're talking, that kind of an energy. Okay, interesting energy actually. Very confident, more of knight of swords slash king of wands kind of energy. Okay, if you have been following tarot, you might know what these energies are like. And yeah, so guys, we'll start with your reading. I have just changed the pattern of my reading for this month, so please do let me know how you find this pattern. Okay, or do you want me to switch back to the 10th card detailed spread? Okay, just let me know your honest feedback, comments, and I'll take care of those. Okay, so yeah, let's get started, guys. Knight of Cups, Rock of Knights, and here comes the first knight. Alright, Two of Swords. Okay, I hope you can see the cards. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. Wow, lovely. And oh my goodness, guys, what is happening? Like, just what is happening? Yo, so many. Are you kidding me? Like, just guys, are you kidding me? Like, oh man, Geminis, look at this. Like, just what the hell? All major arcanas as your overall energy, guys. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a very interesting reading. Anyways, so talking about your overall energy has shown up as 4 of Raphael, which is 4 of Cups in conventional tarot, guys. I'll read it for you. Seek out other possibilities. Look for the magic in life. Be aware of your own emotions. Now, 4 of Cups basically talks about someone who is being stuck at one point, stuck at some point. Okay, not ready to let go of something. Okay, just sitting and beating oneself over some issue. Okay, not ready to look at the bigger picture. Not ready to look beyond whatever has gone wrong. Okay, that kind of energy. And I'm surprised that this has shown up as your overall energy while and even while shuffling I was getting this card. But yeah, so because seeing your other cards, I do not see at all that you guys are stuck over something, except for one thing I am getting over here is this Tower, which is definitely asking for you guys to change. Okay, it's definitely asking you guys to let go of whatever has happened and keep on moving ahead in life. Okay, so yeah, with that I'll keep this card aside. Now guys, there is like really very interesting energy I'm getting over here. I can see 2 different sets of or groups of people over here. You guys are going to get a new chance at career slash relationship. Okay, for some of you guys there's going to be a new love headed towards your way. Maybe that night was the night that I was imagining in my vision. Okay, the vision that was, I was seeing someone on a horseback. It's like this person coming, or this energy headed towards you. Okay, or you could be headed towards someone, guys. Take it how it resonates, but definitely there is going to come, there's going to be a some change which is headed at a lightning speed towards you guys. Some major change. I'm not talking about a minor event over here, okay? Some life changing event, some new relationship happening over here, some new career opportunity coming over here, which you had never ever thought of, okay? A dream opportunity, a dream relationship is what I'm seeing over here. Something that is going to give you second chance, okay? Another chance towards something to start afresh. For a specific few, I feel that you guys are going to give a second chance to a relationship. In terms of relationship, maybe it could be a second marriage for some of you guys. It could be like you might be getting into a relationship after a long time is what I'm seeing over here, okay? And this is going to be full of love. This relationship is all of love, okay? There is lovers card as well over here, okay? For some of you guys, there's going to be brand new career opportunity, brand new opening in terms of career, which is going to be full of abundance. It's going to bring in lot of money for you guys, okay? There's 10 of Pentacles over here as well. So something is going to bring in lot of money for you, money to you guys, okay? Lot of abundance and prosperity is what I'm seeing over here. And by lot, I really mean a lot. Ace of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles both showing up in your reading, guys. That is a huge amount of money. Maybe it could be a case that you might have cracked some property deal wherein you are getting huge sum of money, okay? It could be a business flourishing like anything, or it could be a new career opportunity altogether, new job offer altogether, which is like paying you really well, okay? I also feel that some of you guys might get promoted here, okay? And that promotion is going to be really something which will add a lot to your take home this thing, okay, package or whatever it is. That something basically is bringing in a lot of money is what I'm seeing over here. For some of you guys, there are going to be some decisions to be made, okay? You'll be at some crossroads about something. I feel that these energies are connected. I feel that this new love offer, new relationship that is coming your way, you might be a little confused about that. You'll not be sure whether you want to go ahead with it, especially because of your past. There might be something about your past that could be holding you off from, you know, just going ahead and taking that offer that the other person is having. But yes, I feel that eventually you are going to end up mustering the courage. You'll leave your past behind, you'll muster the courage, and I think you are going to go ahead and, you know, just accept that offer, whatever it is, okay? There's going to be a lot of teamwork happening over here, guys. I feel that some of you guys are going to collaborate with different teams to get work done, or it could be with different people to get some work done. I feel that you could also get an opportunity on working on something which you have never done before, okay? And that might need you to you know, collaborate with different kind of people over here, okay? That could be something which you might be initially not sure of taking, because you have not worked on it before, and you might have some inhibitions, but I'm sure with the help of the right people you're going to be able to do that, okay? And you'll decide to go for it is what I'm seeing over here. Yeah, the Emperor energy, Aries energy showing up here. There are so many major arcanas, my goodness. I feel that you guys are going to be quite organized in coming weeks, months, weeks/months, guys. You'll be working in a very organized manner, okay? You'll bring about a discipline to your routine is what I'm seeing over here, okay? You could also be dealing with a very what do I say, there could also be a very dominating person in your energy. I don't want to mean dominating in a wrong sense, but someone who is quite influential, okay? You might be looking up to that person, okay? And you might be consulting that person for all the important aspects of your life is what I'm seeing over here. Yes. Chariot, again, no surprises here. There is going to be lot of forward movement, guys. This chariot is definitely going hand in hand with the horse riding person that I have in my vision, or I had in my vision. Okay, I say that there's going to be lot of forward movement for some of you guys with respect to something. And by the way, I just forgot to, I did not forgot, I want to talk more about Tower. I feel, guys, Geminis, there's going to be some sudden change in your life. Okay, something is going to happen very very suddenly for you guys, and it's like you are living a very normal complacent life, and bam, one day the thing changes, you know, your life takes a U-turn. And I feel, guys, this U-turn is going to be a game changer in a positive way. Okay, it's going to be something which will kind of overwhelm you. Okay, you might take some time to accept this change. Okay, you might take some time to come to the terms with whatever the universe is offering to you. It's going to be that good, guys. Lot of abundance, lot of love I'm seeing over here. Okay, I feel that some of you guys are might need to take some break, might need to rest a little for some reasons. Let us clarify this moon and hermit. I'm not able to get the energy behind moon and hermit. Okay, let's clarify. What is the moon card about? And why the hermit? Hermit is a Virgo energy. Let's clarify. Okay, yeah. So guys, I feel that, yeah, there is another angle that I can see over here. Yeah, now this is another something which is happening. Okay, for some of you guys, there's going to be some sort of secrets are going to come out. Okay, someone was not being truthful about something, and you kind of find out, you might find out about it. Okay, suddenly, like just by a fluke, you'll come across something, and one thing will lead to another, and you'll end up questioning the other person in the mix. Okay, you'll find out that someone has not been truthful to you, someone has been keeping secrets over here, is what I'm getting. Do you see these cards? Yeah, so this is something, a little shadowy energy is what I'm getting over here. Okay, knight of swords has shown up, by the way. No surprise, this is the kind of energy that I was getting. Okay, so guys, I feel that you could be dealing with some sort of sneaky energy over here. That will lead to this Tower and this heartbreak. Okay, and it would really want you to take a break. It would put you in a space wherein you really want to close out. You really want to shut yourself in a room, not want to talk to someone. Okay, it will kind of make you anxious, it will make you sleepless, is what I'm seeing over here. Yeah. Now this is some major event happening here, guys. This is going to be a little tough period for some of you guys in terms of relationship, is what I'm saying straight away. This is not related to someone's professional life. This is related to someone's personal life. Okay, some betrayals is what I'm seeing over here, guys, and that will make you question like why me, why this has to happen to me. Okay, but definitely, guys, you are going to muster courage, you are going to find courage, and you will get out of this. You will have another chance to life, is what I'm seeing over here. This could be energy in your past as well. Okay, but whatever it is, you are going to have another life to life, another chance to life, is what I'm getting. I also feel that you guys might have a choice to make between two energies. Okay, there could be two energies, two proposals coming your way. I feel that these are younger energies, could be younger to you, or you could be younger to someone. Okay, one is quite emotional, one is quite what do I say, rational, or things with is more on the practical side. Okay, uh, lovers energy, guys. Definitely a new relationship here, a soulmate kind of relationship here, and a forever kind of relationship. So even if you have gone through some bad experience in the past, please don't let it stop you, or please don't allow it to prevent you from saying yes to this new energy that is awaiting you, guys. Okay, it's a beautiful transformation, it's a beautiful shift, and one that you truly deserve. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting over here. Yeah, 7 of Cups. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of 7 of Cups, Devil, and 6 of Swords, guys. You guys really need to put an end, or you have already put an end to some toxic relationship, is what I'm getting. Capricorn energy here. Also, I can see a strong Cancerian energy here. Okay. Or any water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is what I am seeing very strongly here. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of emotions that will run high. Whenever this energy is going to come to your life, you'll be really overwhelmed. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords, again, there are 3 aces in this reading, guys. Wheel of Fortune, Star. Something is going to need you to heal over the past and embrace the new, is what I'm seeing. Very specific energy, very specific message in terms of a relationship for some of you guys. I had done, which reading did I do yesterday? It was Taurus. Okay, yeah, guys, do watch Taurus reading. If at all you have Taurus in your birth chart, anywhere in any of your placements, Moon, Rising, Venus, Sun, okay, please do watch that reading. That reading has similar energies, okay, very similar energies. Or if at all the person that you are dealing with has Taurus, do watch it as a cross watcher, okay. You will find lot of resonance with that reading of guys. Yes, so overall this reading is all about new offers in terms of career, new offers in terms of relationship, for sure, no doubts about that. Overall it has a positive tone. So even if you are going through some heartbreak, or if you have gone through some heartbreak, restlessness, sleepless nights, guys, know that you are shifting to a very beautiful beginning in January, or rather in 2022, guys, and I'm so happy to see this transformation for you guys. So let's quickly pull some of the messages from this beautiful deck. Take time to breathe out. Of course, yes, if at all you're going through some really tough time, make sure that you have make sure you let your hair down, have some cooling period, balance spirituality and practicality. Yes, of course, try to meditate a little, guys. It will help you a lot, especially if you are in this hermit mode seeking answers. Meditation is definitely going to bring in a lot of answers to you. Okay, so yeah, and there is a lot of emotional clutter also that I could see over here. There was 7 of Cups energy, which also again asks you to just calm down and collect your emotions, guys. Let's see, let's pull one more card. Okay, nothing is yet set in stone, and a time for healing. Definitely someone is going through a rough period, guys. That there is a tower moment, there is this kind of a knee-jerk moment that you are going to experience. You are going to need some time to get or rather to digest whatever is happening. Okay, it could be in terms of the new energies that are coming your way, as well as to heal with whatever has happened. Okay, you are going to need some time to accept the situation, positive and negative both. Okay, time for healing. So make sure you meditate, make sure you are gentle with yourself, kind with yourself, give yourself enough time to accept these new sudden changes that are coming your way, guys, and I'm sure you'll be fine. So let's pull some of the charms for you guys and conclude this reading. Let's see what we have for you guys for January 2022 and remaining months. Yeah, I'm not clicking this, I don't like that charm much. A letter Q. Now I wonder what that means to anyone. I mean, I'm pulling this initial for the first time ever in my readings, guys. Letter Q, okay? If at all it means anything to any one of you guys. What is this bear, okay? You guys surely need a bear hug is what I feel from this energy. Yeah, go ahead, meet up with your friends or people you trust. Just give them a warm tight hug and just know that everything is going to fall in place, guys. That's all. That's what I can tell you. Find joy in the journey. Yup, a very good and strong message. No matter how tough the times are, we must learn to look at the brighter side, at the good sides. We must learn to count our blessings and keep on going in a positive way is what I see. There we go, definitely there's going to be new relationship for some of you guys, and please do let me know if that's the case, okay? I'll be so happy to hear whatever news are there in this area. It takes a big heart to teach little minds. Wow. So guys, the biggest revenge or the biggest response is what I would say, not even revenge, is to move on gracefully and happily in your life, okay? Nothing kind of irks more or pinches more to people who have done you wrong than seeing you happy, moving happily in your life. That's been my experience. So that's what I am getting from this charm. She believed she could, so she did. Of course. Wow, what a lovely charm. Taking back me to the strength energy that has shown up. You guys are being very courageous. You are putting a courageous front to whatever this low phase is, guys. And yeah, Leo energy over here. We are all mad here. Yeah. Participate in the madness. Have some light moments. Have fun, guys. Oh my goodness. I am appalled to see this charm, okay? Horse, because I cannot, the vision is still very strong in my mind, guys. Someone over the horse back, and there are two knights also coming here. So definitely there's going to be some sort of speedy communication coming your way, guys. There's going to be someone headed in a headstrong manner towards you, or you are going in a headstrong manner towards someone to make that offer, okay? I have no doubts about that. Some communication coming your way, speedy communication at that is what I'm getting over here. And be ready, Geminis. You are about to have a most beautiful turn in your life. Okay, so just be prepared to embrace it. Okay. Yeah, so Geminis, I leave it at that. If any of this was your story, if any of this resonates with you, please give the video a thumbs up. Share your share your experiences through comments. Drop comments. And last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.